Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make a Chinese cold jellyfish salad recipe. It's also spicy and sour style food. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 500 gram jellyfish heads for this recipe. Select jellyfish head. Then put them into the pot. Then add enough water into the pot to immerse them for 5 hours. Please change the water twice and wash it thoroughly. Then drain and save them for later. Next, we should prepare ingredients. Cut 1 bunch of green onion. Then save them for later. Fire mint 3 cloves of garlic. Then save them for later. Cut 2 red peppers into dice. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare 10 grams white sesame seeds for this recipe. Add white sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of water into the pan. Use middle fire to heat them. Stir them evenly. After the sesame seeds start to be broken, drain and save them for later. Now we can start to make cold jellyfish salad. Add jellyfish into the pot. Add garlic, red peppers, some sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, half tablespoon aromatic vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili oil into the pot. Stir them evenly. Then sprinkle with some green onions. Stir them evenly. Then pour them into the bowl. Then we got the delicious cold jellyfish salad. Cold jellyfish salad is crunchy and nutritious. Hope you can try it at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.